Hi everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. And I'm so excited to be joined by the half of the amazing ICI duo of Kelly and Eric. This is Eric with ICI Homes, and we are in the beautiful community, one of our newest communities, Timberland Ridge. And Timberland Ridge has become such a popular neighborhood, and so I'm excited that Eric took the time to show you one of, is it 3 Eric models you have here? 2 models, forgive me. 2 models that they have up here, and I have to be honest, this is one of my favorite.
It is. It's a beautiful floor plan. This is the Serena. It's over 2,200 square feet.
Look at this entryway.
4 bedrooms, 3 bath, with an office.
Thank you, Eric.
Yep.
And look, as Carlin just showed the ceilings, and this is magnificent when you come into this space.
It's very wide, not very claustrophobic.
Oh, not at all.
Grand ceilings. Absolutely right.
And I love the tile that you chose, just the colors, and really this is a wide space.
It sure is. Very wide through here.
So let's go to the left right here.
So over here we have 2 bedrooms up front.
And a nice size, by the way. Really nice. One thing you're going to notice throughout this floor plan, because of course I have seen it before, because it really is one of my favorite, is ICI is really thought out every inch of space, and they're utilizing it. And you're going to see that throughout the house, but they're giving you some amazing architectural features also throughout the house, starting with, of course, that beautiful tray ceiling cut out in different parts throughout the entryway.
Right. Absolutely right.
Look at here, go ahead in there, Eric.
You can see this beautiful bedroom right here. The decorators just did a fabulous job with this room here. Good space here.
Absolutely.
Nice size closet.
Absolutely. You can have standard 8-foot doors through this home, double paneled, 5 1/4 inch baseboard. As we step up over here to my side over here, you can have another bedroom, another full bathroom, a laundry room as well.
Oh, wow.
That is a nice size laundry room.
Very good size.
It really is, and everyone knows I love laundry rooms. And so when I'm saying this is a good size, it's a great size laundry room. So really, really like it. And I want to point out, as we go into this space, the only reason I'm coming in here first, this is a beautiful room, but Eric was telling me you can also make this, you could not be a bedroom.
That's correct. We can make this into a tandem garage, which then you'd have your 3rd bay here, or storage for your golf cart or another car. And then, so that would be the tandem garage section there.
Otherwise, it's a true 2-car garage.
It's a 2-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. Absolutely right.
And I just want to point that out because the room size, great room size, but if you don't need it, good to know that ICI can modify that floor plan.
100% right. Now this area here, flex room, office space, study, we can close these walls in here to put French doors on them, or to put the barn doors up here. A lot of people are into those barn doors right now.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a great office space here. Just leave it open.
It's beautiful. I almost would leave it open. Well, again, y'all have a great decorator, so I just want to show off everything. And I know, Carly, you just have to show this wall. It is beautiful how they painted it, but it just shows people how you can take paint and it turns into artwork.
Absolutely.
So just more of a decorating idea if you choose this house. This is a great option.
Correct.
That I would just encourage people.
Let me pan and get this
Look
whole
at that.
open area.
And those transom windows up there, the natural light that just comes into this house with the 12-foot ceilings and those transom windows are absolutely gorgeous. You have 12-foot of sliders in the back here that they can slide either way. So just a lot of beautiful natural light coming into this home.
Really that indoor-outdoor entertainment and living space here.
Bringing that outdoor living inside your home.
And look at this kitchen. Tons of cabinets, drawers. I mean, plenty of cooking space if you are a cook. Or if you just want to entertain and heat up set things.
Correct.
But just even back here, lots of space. I really, really love this kitchen. And I like how with this whole room, how it's not too big. You know, it's a nice, it's comfortable.
Very comfortable,
but
absolutely.
yet, I want you to, I mean, it's big to host a big party. I don't want to let people think you cannot, because it's a big space, but just not obnoxiously big. Not too big.
Right.
And I can't get over this. Carlene, I hope you can come outside, because this is beautiful. And one thing about Timberland Ridge that we're hearing in the Welcome Center is why people are coming up here is just the beauty that you're seeing. Tons tons and tons of preserve up here. The trees, Timberland Ridge will have, you know, you're having an oversized green space area,
Yes, ma'am.
not your normal little pocket park as we like to call it. It's going to be beautiful. But this yard is huge.
Good enough size to put a pool back here.
Absolutely. And then in Timberland Ridge, y'all can do fences, of course.
Yes, ma'am.
So fencing in your yard. So if you do have pets or even children, you
Right.
know, of course you can have that up here. And also another popular thing about Timberland Ridge is the location. Eric can tell you, because he's been in all different Nocatee communities, this is one of the closest Nocatee neighborhoods on the west side, closest to the Nocatee Parkway.
Yep.
And why that's appealing to people, of course, is if you want to go down to visit St. Augustine, you know, which is beautiful, or if you need to go up to Jacksonville, you're close enough to get out,
Absolutely right.
but yet you feel right now that you're nowhere
That's
near
correct.
a
That's
major road.
That's absolutely right.
So
it's
that-
still
Let me
very
get a
close
view.
to the beach.
Oh, yes.
Still very
And I
close
want
to
to
the beach.
remind people that Timberland Ridge has sidewalks in it
Yep.
and sidewalks outside of it, so you can bike from here to the beach. And actually, we're only 7.5 miles to the beach. We're not far at all. So on a bicycle, that's very doable. So here, come on in, Carly. Now I want to go in this room because this
The master bedroom over
knocks
here.
my socks off too. Absolutely love it. And I just love the architectural features. I mentioned that you're going to see this throughout, but when Carling turns around, I love that they didn't just do a square owner suite, which
That's
is
right.
what you always see. In a minute, Carling's going to get to the right wall, but you can take your time, Carling. But I love how you have this sharp, just sliced down. It's just beautiful, angled. Wow. It
That's
just,
some design to a normal bedroom. It's usually just a square bedroom. Now
Yes.
it's not.
and I love it.
And the huge windows that are behind you as well. They're just really,
Yeah,
once
right.
again, a lot of natural light that comes into this.
Oh, and look at this picture window. And
Yep.
I mean, this is stunning right here.
Gorgeous.
I would not want to cover this up. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. And this lot is beautiful, I have to say. Okay, now I'm excited the bathroom. And another thing with this owner's bath is, notice the size of the closet. Again, with this comfortable size, you said 2,200
Yes, ma'am.
square feet. You've got a nice size closet. You've got, of course, the two sinks, if you do need them, if there's more than just you in this home. And they even have a linen closet, so I do want to at least point that out. When
let me get that.
Take your time. But I know this floor plan. I can see why it's so popular.
But now, if they did need a tub, we
Okay.
have the option to put a tub in here as well.
Oh, I love that.
Since
okay.
we're customizable, 100%.
Okay, all right. So you can put a tub in here if you want.
That's correct.
Are you finding buyers are doing tubs still a lot, or more so getting
Probably
away from it?
80% or not.
Okay.
Yeah, they're getting away from the tubs as long as there's one tub in the home in general.
Okay.
But they're getting away from that. But it's a great sized closet, a very comfortable closet. And
Oh, it's big.
Correct.
I want to let people know they need to come see Eric out here, and of course Kelly, the better half. Ha, ha.
That's exactly what
We miss our Kelly today, but this home is stunning. It's stunning. But I also, as Carling comes out, I want to point out that with this home, where would be good?
Oh, right
place?
here,
Maybe
right
right here. All floor plans for ICI homes can be found on Nocatee.com. Click on the neighborhood section, click on Timberland Ridge, and then ICI homes, all their floor plans. So like Eric was saying, they can customize some things. So this model, you don't have to buy it exactly as you see it. And also remind people that there's a great CDD pool, literally walking distance.
That's
It's
great.
actually to the right of this neighborhood. It's called Cypress Park. So if you're a dog owner, it has a dog park, a beautiful pool, restrooms, covered pavilion for picnics, a nice athletic field.
Yep.
So I just want to let people know, literally right next door. And then a greenway trail across the street diagonal. And a greenway trail to us is for your electric vehicles,
Yep.
feet, or your bikes.
That's right.
And you can get down to the town center to enjoy all the
Exactly.
activities. So again, ICI Homes, part of the Nocatee family for quite a long time. Thank you, Eric.
Absolutely.
The other half?
The better half?
The better half, no. Kelly and Eric. But please come see ICI Homes. We love you guys. Thanks for watching Walk Through Wednesday, brought to you by the Park Group, the developers of Nocatee.
Thanks.
Thanks, y'all.
See ya.